Okay.
Hey Chris, look at you on camera, bro.
I know. What's up?
What's up, shorty? Said I need about 40. Pull up to the party. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You ever hugged a tree? I'm talking full-on, bark to chest, no shame, deep embrace. Turns out, tree's been out here longer than your therapist, and they don't charge hourly. Hug one long enough, and boom, anxiety absorbed, vibes elevated.
Fuck you looking at, bitch?
All right, Nick. I guess we're going down.
Going down?
I'm going down. If you fall, I'll do my best to catch you.
If you fall, you can fall on me. Don't
I
worry.
bet.
Life after I can see why people are afraid of heights, though.
No, I'm about to.
That shit scared me though, bro. Get your ass over here. You want to record a video?
I'm definitely recording.
Oh, you don't accidentally do it.
I'm gonna grab it. All right, guys, what we got here is a viper snake. If you get close to it, it will latch onto your sack.
Рома навел дорожку